Hi family, good afternoon. How are we all doing? Wow. So weather is too hot. Very, very, very sunny. Oh my god. So Florida is a sunshine state. I want to go to the pharmacy to pick my medication. Now, so let me carry us along. How we all enjoying our day? For those of us new to my channel, you are welcome. I encourage us to become part of the family. Yes. Can you hear that? Each time I close the car door, my husband will keep complaining. And what is the meaning of that? That I should lock the door gently. I don't know. Is it that I want to break the car or what? Huh? Darling, what are you trying to say? Huh? Tell them. He has said this more than 1 million times. Darling, is the car crying? Please, I want to know. Is the car complaining that I want to break her hand or hand or whatever?
Start crying.
Crying? What will make it cry? It's not as if I banged the door. Or you don't want me to be entering the car? Huh? Hi family. As I was saying before, the weather is too hot. Very, very hot outside. Yeah. Since I came back from work, I've been sleeping. I just came out for the first time now. Despite the fact that I just had my bath before coming out, it's as if they put me in the oven. 91 degrees. Wow. Florida is really a sunshine state. Even while in Nigeria, I would not have this tense and hot weather like this. They are gonna flag me off with this music. Oh my god. I don't remember it. Now YouTube we give me copyright for the song. How is the weather over there with you? Is it raining? Is it warm, cold? For me here in Florida, the weather is too hot, damn too hot. This is the time of the year when you see people almost naked going about in the streets. And one thing with the people here is that there are people that have lived here for a very long time. This weather don't necessarily, let's say it doesn't affect them much, because they've gotten used to the wild weather. Why I say this is that sometimes now with this hot weather like this, with the sun shining like this, you will see people, doing exercise, walking, trekking long distances under this scorching sun. But for me, I can never do any exercise under this weather. It reminds me of when we were growing up in the village. Like this type of weather is when they do farming, they do planting. This is the kind of sun that when you are planting, when you go to the farm, the sun will beat hell out of you. And there's nothing you can do now. You're under your parents. You have to stay and work under the sun. Okay, I'm very close to where I came to pick my medication. That's the pharmacy. So let's go there. Okay, I'm out there. Public pharmacy. So I want to pick my drug now. Somebody's on queue. I have to wait. I have to wait. My husband went to pay for. Look at him over there. They're trying to get money or that we want to pay for our bill. So I'm still gonna buy fruits and vegetables. So I will have to wait until it gets to my turn. I'm having toothache. I don't know what I'm gonna use for my. It seems I have a swollen gum. Check over the counter and see if there's something I can use. Because I'm feeling really terrible now. Okay.
Alright, so are you the patient?
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay. Let's pay for
are you
the.
picking up?
Yes.
What's the name?
Duncan, Colleen Duncan. So,
Please.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you, and you too. Enjoy your day. Family. Huh? I want to pick a deodorant from the store. I see. The background music, I like it. The song. To put something for my hair.
What can I use?
I want to buy deodorant. See what's up. Here I said 2-pack. 48 hours cold flush. Let's see what 48 hours cold flush. I don't know. It's the same thing with Inca now. 48 hours. Huh? This one is the same.
I think I'm gonna use my single body. And I guess the next
Listen. Meeting. What fragrance is this? Let me see. Aloe vera green tea. Okay. Green tea. I like the odor of that green tea too. Maybe I should go for this. Aloe green tea. Let me try it first. Okay. The thing is that when I came to America newly, that was in 2019, I started having, I've said before that I have a soft skin reaction. I started having, what is it called again? What is the name of that thing? Boils. And my armpits, beneath my bra area, I don't know. So at the point I was advised to stop using deodorant. So I stopped it, but I want to gradually return back to it. Like the one my husband was using, I've tried it for some time now. I didn't get any boys since maybe my system has adjusted to American system. I don't know. Let me just try it and see what happens. Since I've not reacted to it lately, I was just using perf and only perf and the spray. I like using deodorant on my armpits. Okay. What else do I say that I want to buy today? Yeah, so what is this? Cocktail food. Okay, we don't have fruit. Let's pick some fruits. But the last time I better. Go chicken. Roasted chicken. Let's go. I don't cook the okay, you do the cat. Okay, you do the cat. Dal bevo tacho. Caro. Apple. Like green apple. Vamos petróleo. Tinggal bukan. Fresh corn. I made corn pudding yesterday. Bought corn. Look at tomato. Too soft. I don't like this kind of tomatoes when you buy it. When I buy my tomatoes, I buy hard ones so that it will last a number of days before I'll be able to use it. Buy my fruits. Me, I'm a fruit person. I like to eat a lot of fruit. Okay, let's go for now. If you come back, I know what happened.
What's your telephone number?
Okay, for the fortune. I think super person.
Yeah.
4039.
Okay. You know, find these people afraid going under the sun again. When you look at it from outside, you see that it's very sunny outside. Very, very sunny. You see? As I stepped out of the door, the heat wave from outside. So much. Too much. Yeah. So this is where we came to buy at the public pharmacy.